students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to measure the angle given below using the protractor and write down its measure. So basically, here we are given the four angles and we have to find out the measure of these angles. We have to find out the measure of this angle. So basically, we have to find out the measure of these angles using protractor, but here we can't use the protector, so I am telling you how we are going to use that. So basically, look here in this first part, this figure is given. So from here we are going to adjust this figure a little bit, so we can make this in this way, so that here must be the basically this is our protector and there is the point which is the center point of that protector. So at the edge of the angles we always have to take that center point, and for that center point there are lines, and using that lines numbers are given. Basically those are the numbers of the angle. So putting the protector at this center we have to measure the angle, so the number which were given on that line must be the angle here. So we are going to take this line as x-axis. So look, like if this is our protector, like say this is our protector, so this is at the bottom. We have to take this edge at the center of the protector, and from this, using the help, we are given the numbers in the protector. Using that we can find out the values. So in the part 1, when we measure this with the help of protector, we get the value of angle as, we got the value of the angle as 45 degree. So from here we can say that the answer to the part A is 45 degree. Now let's move to the part B. Again we have to measure this using protector. Again, taking the center of the protector here, we are going to use the angle using the scales which we are given in the protector. So when we measure this angle with the help of protector, we get the value of angle as 180 degree. So this is the answer to the part B of the question. Now let's move to the part C. As we can clearly visible, this angle is a right angle which is 90 degree. But again, as we have to measure this with the help of protector, so we are going to place the protector in such a way that the center point of the protector must be here in this edge, and for using the scale we can easily calculate the value of the angle. So the answer C is 90 degree. Now look here in the figure D. So here in this part we are given this figure. The figure is somewhat like this. So this figure is given. We have to find out these three angles, 1, 2 and 3. Let's name this. This is angle 1, this is angle 2 and this is angle 3. So again we have to find out these angles using protector. So again we have to use the protector in order to find this value. So again we are going to rearrange this term. If we are considering about the angle 1, so we are going to arrange the protector in such a way that the center point of the protector must come at its edge. So after placing the protector, we get the value of that angle using the scale. So when we measure that value, we got the value of the angle 1 as 60 degree. Now considering about the angle 2, so this is our angle 2. Again we are going to place the protector here at that edge. So we can say that the center of that protector, let's say this is our protector, so that center must be there, and using the scale we can usually find out the value, as it is clearly visible that this value must be greater than 90 degree. So when we calculate this using protector, we get the value as 135 degree. Now again we have to calculate this angle 3, again adjusting our protector at this edge. When we calculate this value as 95 degree. So from here we can say that angle 3 is equals to 95 degree. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of angles. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.